your girl Roxanne and
Crystal.
today we're here going to try these blizzards. Trying different flavored blizzards.
Yeah.
And they're like really melting right now, so we gotta get through these.
Yeah. You gonna read the ones that we got?
Yeah, so this is the mint Oreo. I'm gonna try. What is this one? No. This is the Royal Reese's Brownie. The Royal Reese's Brownie. And then this is the Turtle Fudge Pecan Turtle. And this is, what is this one? Brownie Extreme? No. Well, maybe this is the Reese's one. It's dripping all over, man. I don't know. That's the Reese's one. Oh, it's like melting all over.
This one is Wonder. I think this one's the Wonder Woman.
Me too.
Cookie. And then this one's the pumpkin pie. Oh my god, they're dripping. This one's the strawberry cheesecake.
Oh my god, they're all dripping, guys. Melting.
And then this one's the cookie dough. There we go. Let's eat.
Okay. You have to get our own spoon. Take the spoons out.
Holy.
Well, I tried the Oreo one before. Oreo mint one.
Still good. Oh, this one's like.
Oreo mint. What was this one again? Brownie. I think this is the chocolate brownie extreme. There's little pieces of brownie in there and chocolate, chunks of chocolate and brownie. It's really chocolatey, man. Well, the kids will be happy to have these treats.
Yeah. Which one is this one?
I think it's the Choco Brownie Extreme. Brownie, man.
Oh, that's really extreme.
Yeah. Too chocolatey. And there's a little turtle. It's like a little mini turtle.
Really?
Yeah. The little mini turtles, and then they got pecan in here and chocolate. Come on, God. This one's okay.
The pecan turtle one?
Yeah. I think this is the Royal Peanut Butter Brownie one.
No, that's good.
It looks like there's brownie in the middle, or peanut butter in the middle.
Oh,
Big
what's this one?
mouthful of peanut butter. Like plain peanut butter in the middle. Weird. I don't know if I like that one. Like too much peanut butter in the middle. That one's weird. Which one is this one?
Oh, the Wonder Woman.
The Wonder Woman.
The Wonder Woman. That's kind of weird. Wonder Woman.
Not
How
bad.
they come up with the names for these blizzards. Wonder Woman cookie.
Wonder Woman Cookie Collision. Wonder Woman Cookie Collision. It's one of their new ones. It's one of their new ones at Dairy Queen. That one's not too bad.
And
If you like chocolate, pieces of chocolate.
well, this one's
I
a pumpkin pie.
don't know if I like pumpkin pie one, but
Oh god, this one's like really melting. Like holy,
what is that?
I don't know. It's like
Is that a piece of pumpkin or something? What is that? What is that? It's like a chunk of something. What the hell is that? Ew. What is that? It's like a big chunk of something.
it's like hard.
Ew, it's really hard. That's the
It's
pumpkin
like candy
pie?
or something. Like a candy. I don't know. It's like the pie crust or something.
Maybe it's like pieces of pie or something. Crust. No, not
This
look.
one's the strawberry.
Cheesecake. That one's my favorite. I love the strawberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness.
There's like a mess in this kitchen.
That's my favorite. Strawberry.
That one's good.
Strawberry
This
is my favorite.
A cookie dough.
Yeah, I love cookie dough too. That's pie. My favorite too. Oh, they're really melted. Only.
I wonder if I can see them.
Oh,
See this mess. Gotta clean this up.
well. Well, there's our trying the different blizzards. Yeah, it isn't that bad. So I like the mint, the Oreo mint one I like, the cookie dough, the strawberry cheesecake, and I like the turtle one.
I like the turtle one.
Yeah, that's all
I
I
like
like.
the cheesecake, the strawberry cheesecake, the cookie dough, and I like the mint Oreo one too. And I think that's it. The other ones are kind of weird.
You don't like the pecan?
No, not really a pecan.
Turtles.
No.
Turtle!
Save the turtles!
Turtles! Save the turtles! The little Ninja Turtles, the little baby ones.
Aww.
They come out of the, and they crawl out of the thing. They're like, pizza, pizza.
Help. That was our, what is it called?
I don't know.
A little try of blizzards.
Like is it like a mukbang? Oh no, just trying blizzards.
Trying different flavors
Yeah.
of Dairy Queen blizzards.
Mhm.
So, if you like this video, comment down below, like, share, and subscribe.
Peace.